click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorial. So in this video I am going to show you how to create partitions in Windows computer. So let's begin the tutorial. So first of all, right click on the computer icon in the desktop. So click on this icon and right click and select manage. Click here, and after you have click on manage, you will see this type of interface. So now go to disk management. So click here on the disk management. So now you will see this type of interface where you will have disk 0. So this will display total capacity of your hard disk. So in my case it is 223.57 GB, and you'll see two partitions. One is 100 MB and one is C, which is 223.47 GB. So this is the drive or partitions where all your Windows files and folder is located. So now right click on this partition or volume. Now right click on it. Now click on shrink volume. So this is querying shrink space, so this will take some time, so you need to wait until it querying is complete. So you will see here total size before shrink in MB, that is 228833. So this is the total capacity of the hard disk. So here this will show enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. So you can shrink maximum of 168092 MB. So this will be in 168 GB. So now suppose if you want to create a partitions of 100 GB, then you type 100 GB in MB. So this will be 100, then 000 and click on shrink. Now you will see an unallocated space of 97.66 GB. So now to create the partitions, right click on unallocated space and click new simple volume. Now click on next, click on next again. Now here you can select or choose from the list of the alphabet from your choice, or you can leave it as it is. So default is, by default it is E is selected, so I'm going to leave it as it is. So click on next. Now on the volume level you can type here name of the level of your choice, suppose data. Now click on next, click on finished. So you can see here the partition name with data is created. So this will be, now you will see this partitions in Windows Explorer also. You can see here C and E. So you can see here, now I have two partitions in my computer system. So if you are not happy with these partitions and you want to remove these partitions, then again you go to disk management and right click on this drive E to remove these partitions and click on delete volume, click yes. So before you delete these partitions, you need to back up all your files. So after you delete these partitions, you will not able to get all these files. So better if you have files or data in these partitions, you need to back up before you delete these partitions. So you can see here it's became unallocated. Now to add these partitions with this volume, now right click on the C drive or this volume and click on extend volume, click on next, click on next and finished. Now you can see here I have deleted these partitions. So in this way you can create a partitions, and also you can delete or remove the partitions by using this simple method.